right, shout out to Pelham Games once again for having these nice Remflex exhaust gaskets. Hopefully this will be the fix to my issue. So yeah, I mean, I guess let's see how it goes. I mean, I haven't really had any updates from the header company, so I mean, hey, see how that goes. All right, guys, so I got the gaskets now, and well, I'm gonna put the gasket on the headers. Let's see what happens now. All right, so gasket is out. Let's see these new gaskets I went and bought today. All right, the thick ones, made by Remflex. Let's see if these gaskets right here fix my issue. So yeah, these are this is the gasket I'm already running on this side over here. As you guys remember, I had already gone and purchased a set of these gaskets when I was installing the headers, or I should say when the muffler shop was installing the headers. And due to the tapping to make the headers fit properly, it got damaged. So I had to install the one that the manufacturer of the header sent to see if it fixed the exhaust leak, but negative, it did not fix the exhaust leak. So all right, let's see what's up now. All right, so it's all done now. Looks like we took care of the issue. Let me turn it on real quick. Yep, no more exhaust leak. How to get that pry bar, how to get a little helping hand to help me pry the header itself so I could tighten it up, since there was a little bit of a gap still. But finally, I got it taken care of. Holy shit, what a fucking nightmare this was. Let me tell you guys something. Don't cheap out on headers. Trust me, don't cheap out on headers. Let my learning experience be y'all's learning experience. Like, let me tell you guys, for example, on my Mustang, I have Cook's headers. I had zero issues with it. Also, they sound pretty freaking amazing, but I mean, hey, I mean, maybe one day I'll get Cook's headers for this truck, but as of right now, I guess I'll just roll out with these headers. So, I mean, yeah. I'm still gonna head up the header manufacturer because, look, let me tell you guys, I have spent about $750 on damages that the headers caused. I'll put a list up here so you guys can see what I'm talking about. Because yeah, I mean, I had to replace the steering shaft, and that was about $370. Then labor to install it was like $200. Then I mean, yeah, I mean, also the exhaust shop charged me a little more because how difficult it was to install these headers. But yeah, I mean, it's just been a whole shit show. But I mean, like I said, hopefully the header company can get me taken care of, and I will be a happy customer. But if not, I mean, hey, I guess I won't be a happy customer. But yeah, I'll keep you guys updated with what goes on with it. So yeah. Oh my Lord, finally, a non-exhaust leaking truck. God damn it. It feels so good to drive this now. Running right. Oh Lord, just listen to this. Oh, finally I get to enjoy these Longtube headers. Oh my God. finally I'm gonna get to make a proper video of how this truck sounds like. Because disregarding all the issues I've had, let me say, they sound pretty goddamn good. I mean, I'm not even gonna front about it. I mean, just listen to that. An equal length exhaust. Holy crap. Yep. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. What I like about this exhaust setup is that when I'm not really on it, it's not really that loud. Not really bothering anybody. Man, I mean, it still sounds great, even if it's not loud, you know, quote unquote loud. I mean, it's pretty tame. I'm really feathering the throttle right now, and I mean, I'm not really disturbing the peace anywhere. So I mean, even though I have Longtube headers now, I mean, it didn't really make much of a difference volume wise, but tone wise, it actually did make it sound better. Not gonna lie, it actually did make it sound better. So yeah, that's currently where I'm sitting at with this. So yeah. Oh, let's see what it sounds like from the outside. I have my little handy dandy headlight right here. So here's an update. Finally got my truck back up and running. It was a fucking nightmare, but we got it going. I mean, it sounds great. So I guess that'll have to do for now, but I guess we'll see what happens. Hopefully we can get taken care of, because I am not satisfied as of right now with how things went. Let me say though, she's chopping pretty nice. Oh my god, I could just sit here all night and listen to it. Not gonna lie, but yeah, there she is. There she is in her full glory. Finally. It honestly hurt seeing my truck sound like shit. Not gonna lie. But I mean, things don't always go as planned. But I'm glad I got it all taken care of now. So So one of my fog lights has been out for a while. I guess you guys can see why. So went ahead and purchased these right here. Yeah, so see how they look, see how they bright up at night. All right, so here it is. They're all installed. Can't really see them, but they're on. So yeah. All right, so I'm gonna be filming some outside clips of how these Longtube headers sound. Yeah, today is honestly such a beautiful day, perfect weather, no wind, very sunny. So yeah, let's hope I can get some good clips, and I'm gonna have one of my friends help me out real quick so I can get some good outside shots. Guys enjoy this video, like, subscribe. I really hope you guys have been enjoying the content lately. It's been a roller coaster, but yeah, I am currently at 1,413 subscribers, I believe, and oh my god, it is mind-boggling, not gonna lie. And I really appreciate all your guys' support. It definitely does not go unnoticed. Also, leave a comment down below, let me know your thoughts on this whole situation. yeah, guys, I mean, don't forget to like, subscribe, follow me on Instagram at Andre Garcia 5.0. And yeah, guys, see you guys on the next one. Peace.